Hey everybody, it's your good buddy Sid here, and this KTM RC390 belongs to my good buddy Maggie. It's fitted with aftermarket exhaust. As you can see, it is a slip-on and not a full system. We mounted it professionally like we always do. It increases horsepower by 5 bhp and also increases torque. And this motorcycle is going for a drag race in Lonavala in December. So we're gonna put on a PC5 power commander on this motorcycle. Then it will be a complete rocket. This exhaust looks nice on this KTM RC390. So my friend is going to rev his bike for your pleasure. So let me ride this motorcycle for you to show power difference and riding sound. RC390 in stock only has a lot of punch in acceleration, but this exhaust gives you mad power, and with sound you can get more feel of it. There are little details we added to this RC390. We put some emblems. Everyone is a fan of the Doctor, then Bridgestone, Liqui-Moly, and 23 will be number of him. This RC belong to my good buddy Maggie, and he's racing this motorcycle in Lonavala drag race with lot of potential. If you want to sponsor him, you can simply comment down below. This is my R15. I crashed it last month and now I recovered, so it is time to restore this to normal condition. Little damage to right side fairing, broken windshield, broken mirror and some things. If you want to check the sound of this R15, you can find the links in description box below. It is Asia's loudest 150cc motorcycle. And now it's time to say goodbye. I see you in my next video very soon. Cheers.